Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
X-Chaser and Storm Chaser are always right beside you guys if you need them. And let's go. The 20X battery charger was 100X, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, not the highest, not the lowest, you know, but it was 100X. Cooler, yes. Yeah, it was. Welcome to Lightning Storm Cooler. We have 25X on 15, that's battery charger Lightning Storm number 2. Right. Okay, we can work with this. It's number 9 with a Monster Mash. 3X on it as well, okay. Guys, let's take a deep breath, okay? Like inhale, apply the 3X, and exhale, okay? 3X applied. Let's check out what we're getting, okay, guys? Good luck. Boom, let's go. Steroids are go X4. 3, okay, what's... What is that? 252? Count it up, buddy. 252X 12X. Let's go. That's a multi. 1,338 winners. Compliments to you guys. Let's go. Easy Z, Max, and Doc. You're the top 3 winners. Betting time. By the way, that was only with that 3X from the wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Jeff, you got it? Up in your bed, brother. Man. Let's go. By the way, that was only with a 3X from the wheel, folks. High small turn wheels at 50. Crazy if you think about it. All right, man. 7X on 7. We have 4X on that 15, which is Lightning Storm. Let's go. Zlatan, I think it's time for you to take a nap. It's calm, Mr. I know you do want to. Is it happy now? I'll scream in the microphone to wake you up later, huh? Before I go. That'd be great. All right, now touch sleep. No, don't worry. He's here. He's existing. 2X and a 5-ball, 3X, 50X, and a monster. Yes. Yes. Slow, slow, slow. Oh, here comes the goblin laughs, guys. You're just expecting.
The Monster Mash.
We'll go ourselves a 50X, baby.
Monster Mash 50X. Are you ready? Oh, yeah, baby. It's time to multiply everything.
Alright, we're gonna do that right now, and we're gonna pull down real quick, and we're gonna hope for the best, baby. Come on.
Do something good for us.
What we got? Legs?
50, body 200, and some head. We're getting some of that on the Bluetooth head there. 400X total. Congratulations, Tom. 400X. Look. 767 ones. Well done indeed. Look at man, 100, 97, 93. Running time. Bad? What you mean bad? Hey, yo. Okay. So think about the most average Monster Mash multiplier, what you were saying. Let's say 8 to 15X, okay? And now you multiply it by 50X. Right? So the base multiplier still has to be higher to be able to be multiplied by them. To another betting time. 600 players bet on Leaf. Abby wins the most. Congratulations. Here we go. Each number has a random bonus, depends upon on the wheel where it will land. Yeah? AKA help section top right if you want to read the rules. Let's go. The wheel is built on every spin with randomly assigned bonus games for the numbers. We have a 10X on 5. That could be very nice if we could hit that. Let's see what happens. surprised that the highest is 2000X. Look. Hey, that is a 10X wheel multiplier, number 5. Unbelievable hits. Okay, and you said you're not lucky? I'm already here, guys. Yo, 10X wheel multiplier. Oh, massive final battery 1000X. A lot of good multipliers. Good luck, everyone. Let's see what you got. Then it's over. But hey, it's the second best battery. 300X. La, 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 la.
Claire, hello, welcome. La 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 la. Number 11, Monster Mash.
It's the Monster Mash.
Ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's try to put this man together. 3x the head, 5x the body, and 3x the head. Ladies and gentlemen, that's 11x in total. Congratulations. So everyone is enjoying. Let's go back to He knows. Oh, there's the 1,441 is enjoy betting time. It is. Let's go. Headache burst my head. I don't know actually. Money was the highest on Monster Mash, bro. Well, so you can let us know as well. Bella, do the honors. Good luck. All money, you are new to this game, you know how to play, right? 10x on 2, 3x on 5, 4x on 12. Bella waiting for you, Sandus. I bet you. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, battery charger with 3x. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hope for some juice here as well. Let's add that 3x from the wheel multiplier. So that means 300x will be the highest. Yeah, 300x. Let's go. 9x. Oh, good. Battery burns. Come on, let's double the bubble. Global multiplier in the house. Battery burns. Okay. 30x. Battery burns. Okay. 6x. Battery burns, good. 60x. Battery burns, come on. 3 more batteries need to burn. 4. Battery burns, good. Good. 45. 45, good burns. 21. 21, guys. That burn. Yes. Yes, 150 or 300. 150 or 300. Ladies and gentlemen, we did this again. The Ross Battery Ridge. Whoa! 300x, baby. Yalla! Habibi, come to Dubai. 1,497 winners. And I'll see you, Roberto. Top winners. Enjoy betting time. It is. Rounds like this brings me a heart attack, guys. I'm not gonna lie. You know, my heart is weak already, but yo, I will not wait till my 30th birthday if we.
Which part? New record. All right, last seconds, guys. What's up, Vic? How you doing today? All right, guys, no more bets, and good luck with the new round. Oh, that battery charge, it is actually. It is. All right, well, we got 15X Fireball. Don't do that. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Segment number 7. That's Fireball with 15X multiplier. Woo! Let's go. Y'all hear that? This is my jam. This is my song. that? I can't even see. All right, we have dropped on 450X, ladies and gentlemen. 450X on a fireball. Look at you go. We're so bad. All right, well then, everybody, 1,172 winners. Marv, that win 163,000 euros. That's insane. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's against the place your bets once again.
Available for you. Any questions? I know in the chat. Bets are closed. Yes, I'm 22. Gonna be 23 this month. Really 23, but you look my auntie, like your auntie. Okay. Okay. So, did you try to bring me down or make me cry? I don't know. What was the goal? I don't know about your goal. I wish you all the best because we are getting the 5X fireball here. Woo! Man! Did we just pull out a lottery ticket today? Because 2,500 gets to be the highest multiplier here. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's going to be a 375X. 375X fireball. Woo! Oh my days. 1,920 others in total. Special congrats to the top honors. Now the round of new bidding time has already started.
Many Sims out of play option. Feel free to use a newcomers. Hello, welcome. How you doing? Let's go. So where can I see the videos, Gunburn? Is it somewhere like TikTok, or is it like on Facebook? Bruv. I thought somewhere, I don't know, 3x on 6, 5x on 5 from Real Multiplier. Come on, Soldier Boy, na 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 na. I say, woo, na 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 na. That's Bro, remember when Soldier Boy was very trendy? 382 winners enjoy betting Tim as well. What is he? Is he still rapping, man? Is he still dropping some crazy songs, or that's it? Soldier Boy Tim. And the na 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 la 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 la. Why you should be so heartless? 'Cause I'm an island boy. I'm just trying to I can't say my social here. I might get chat banned, but you have a lot of clips on my Facebook page. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go lighting storm with a 4X. Woo! Boom! Ladies and gentlemen, let's add that 4X from the wheel multiplier. So that means 1,600X is the highest. The same time as yours. Yeah, guys, I lost it. Majority gonna go with a second lightning strike. Best of luck to you guys. Come on, lightning strike number 1. Let's get it. 400X lightning strike number 1. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. Lightning strike number 2. Global multiplier, no way. Let's double the bubble. Ladies and gentlemen, 3,200X is the highest. Come on, let's get paid. Lightning strike number 2, we have a lightning strike number 3. Come on. 120 and 40, that's 160X on lightning strike number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, nice. Let's go back to the wheel.
$100. Enjoy betting time. All right, guys, couple of seconds left, and let's roll again. Hi, Raz. I'm great. Thanks for asking. How's your day so far? Good luck with the new round. Last fireball was 10X. Speaking of 10X's, we got 10X hotspot, 4X fireball, 3X fireball, and battery charger. 3 bets left. Okay, Chad. Do it. Please do it. Please, please, please go. Woo! Let's go. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I was ready. I came prepared. This is my jam. This is my song. Wow, you know, just wow. Hey, welcome to the hotspot. 10X multiplier. And 1000X will be the max. And we got 2 of them on the board. Let's go. Decision time. All yours. All yours. Feel free to choose a spot. Of course, you can leave the auto pick as you wish. Final seconds. Woo! I'm ready. Ready? Time's up. Let's see that reveal. 30X is the lowest. That's insane. We got the 50s, 70s, 100Xs, 150Xs, 200s, 400s, 500s, 1000Xs. Both of them right there. Double area. Come on. There we go. Extra 400s, 200s, 300s as well. Great work, everybody. Congratulations. So how'd you do? Write in the chat down below. Very nice. 1,344. Woo!
And also, guys, thanks for playing. And 630 winners. Well done. I, Henry, and Izzy. Well done. Also, all of you guys with the 250X. Be respectful. Wow. Zlatan, so many times you wrote. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, please be respectful to each others also, and also to our chat moderator Zlatan. Thank you for the update, Zlatan. Yeah, really nice win. And remember, have I ever got the say that great win? The highest, really? Woo! Guys, you've been completing on the leaf sections. You see how does this leaf section works? Section 12, even section hotspot bonus game, 20X. Let's go, guys. Wow. Let's update. Wires connected, distance I'm all yours. Maximum multiplier 2000X. What's going on behind me? A few more seconds, guys. All right, something is working also there. Ooh. It's really quite interesting. All right, multiplier bill. The different really has 2000X there. Double. Let's see where the hotspot will double an area. Guys, 873 winners. Well done, is a lucky man. Ivy, well done, also.
Slow. Bad. No 50X top slot. Bad. It's a 5X1. Let's go. 5X top
with the 1000X. Oh, mamma mia. And away we go. All right, get out. 100X. What about that? What about that? That's gone. Please, red. Please, 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 please. Green. Hit me with the green. Yeah! Red, red. Yeah. Come on. Green. Давай, please, please, please. Yeah! Show is over, good. That's a knockout! That's a 5X top slot on the body charge. Yeah! 5X top slot, 1000X, baby. Good night, show is over. Actually, no, let's hope for even more and bigger multipliers to go, actually. The show is not over. Where are you going? Come back. Let's continue. Place your bets. Alright, good luck, people. Yo, buddy.
So, fan, please place your bets. Let's go. Okay, betting time is over. Let's see the multipliers. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 2X on 18, a battery charger. 3X on 4, hotspot. 3X on 19, lightning storm. Come on, baby! 3X on 19, it's lightning storm. Here we go. Woo! Welcome to lightning storm. So 3X wheel multiplier, 1200X at the top. We still have global multipliers though, 2X, 3X, 5X. And it's your turn to choose one of the 3 strikes. And I hope you get a super big lightning. Beep, beep, bow. Okay, final seconds. Ready? Let's strike. Global multiplier, baby. That is 5X. Insane. Insane the brain. 6000X at the top. 150 is the lowest we could possibly get, but we'll get bigger, right? Right. It is 600X, right? I think my math is correct. It is 600X. Beautiful. 600X on strike number 1. Luna on strike number 2. Another global multiplier. 2X. 2,400 at the top. Okay, hit it. Wow, 1,500X, baby. Woohoo! Okay, and the third one. Another global multiplier, banana pants. Okay, let's go. That is 2,400X at the top. And hit it, baby. 250X, is that correct? No, 240. My math went wrong. Anyway, 600X, 1,500 and 240. Congrats to the winners. The crowd goes wild, especially strike number 2. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.